Hi, it's Kelly Scott with Forever Strong, and today I'm going to demonstrate the towel swing and help you learn how to get the most out of it. First of all, congratulations, because if we've handed you a towel and told you to use it with the kettlebell, it means that you are well on your way to mastering the kettlebell swing, which is a challenging move to do, but it's very rewarding. So if you see right now, I'm rolling this towel up and making a handle. I'm going to slide that handle through the kettlebell handle, and that's my new handle. Okay, so now the kettlebell is facing in this direction as it goes through my legs. Let me just do a quick demonstration for you, and then I'll talk you through it in a second. So I'm sliding it through, just like in the pendulum swing. I'm leaning back nice and deep. Here we go. All right. So that looks a lot like the kettlebell swing. The purpose of the towel is that we're using the feedback by having the kettlebell handle not in your hands to make sure that you're getting a smooth transition between the downswing and the upswing. So most of the time, a lot of people, when they're first learning the kettlebell swing, they push the kettlebell through their legs and then they pull it up. And that's not the right way to do it. Just like in the pendulum swing, you push the kettlebell back and your arms relax. Push the kettlebell back and your arms relax. But with the towel swing, you push the kettlebell back, and when you stand up, that's when your arms relax. You see? But we're holding on to that towel. So if this happens, wobbly bobbly, wobbly bobbly, we know that you're pulling that up. So it's teaching you that you're doing it wrong so you can self-correct. So again, push through, push your hips forward, push back, push your hips forward. Now, let's talk a little bit about what happens in that scenario. I push the kettlebell through my legs, and now I push my feet into the floor. This is where the band swing, the band hinge that you learned comes into play. I push my hips forward. And at the top, your ribs are pressed down, your glutes are tight, your quads are tight. And then you inhale on the way back, exhale on the way up. You see how that's exactly like the band hinge that you learned? We're just doing it with the dynamic of the kettlebell now. So I get into my deep hinge just like I did with the pendulum swing. I grasp this towel very close to the kettlebell handle. I push it through the opening in my legs, push forward, push back, push forward. And when I say push forward, I mean push forward with your hips, not with your arms. Okay, it's the move that teaches you how to do the move right, the kettlebell towel swing. And of course, it's going to feel a little challenging the first few times you do it, but then when you start breathing heavy, you'll realize it's really a great exercise.